Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm a distant traveler. I'm traveling from Jamaica to various sections of the world to listen and to witness different variations of artists. So that is the reason why I'm here in Cryptos today. Right, I've heard about this guy. He's called Theo Evan. And I'll be reacting to his song called Shh SHH. So I hope everyone accept me in their country just for this moment, and I can become a fan of your country if you all, leave a mark here. Alright, for me. And let us all be friends. Right? Because I'm not sure if in my country, Jamaica, Theo is a big fan of anyone. But it's gonna be a journey from now on, right? Because I'll be a fan of him if his music do be of my liking. So with this being said, let's see what Theo is up about.
I've got golden locks and eyes so captivating. I am famous for my beauty. Who am I? I've been told I am a little.
Okay, so this is him. He's famous for his beauty, but who am I? Hmm. So he's saying that shh. So he's famous for his beauty. He's asking, who is he? Then if a person should answer, he'll give them this answer. Shh. Hmm. Hopefully, I'm comprehending this the right way. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's what he said. Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Sounds good so far. Different from the rest that I've reacted to. So it's gonna be an adventure.
Confident, and this will be my downfall. Who am I? I fell in deep. I lost my heartbeat. Stuck in between the heaven and hell in me. I fell in deep. I lost my heartbeat. Follow the bloodstream. Hush, hush. If you know my name, then please don't repeat it.
So he have an incredible voice. Yeah. He sounded good. Yeah, his message is quite good. I'm not sure what is this song all about, but I guess it's about him. And I love to hear what more he can give. How is he gonna explain all of this signal? What does that mean?
Hush, hush. If you know my name, then keep it a secret. In the ground, in the sky, in the afterlife, in the dark, in the light, in the sweet divine. Hush, 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 hush. My desire and my love got me in trouble until.
Oh, sweet, sweet vocals, great voice. Damn. Wow. Wow. I gotta say, extraordinary voice. This guy is good. He's good. He is so good.
Okay, and I'm revival. Who am I? Robbed by jealousy and cheated by my enemy. From tears and blood to flowers. Who am I? I fell in deep. I lost my heartbeat. Stuck in between heaven and hell in me.
So he's saying that, right? He's robbed. So who is him? Like, who is this guy? Right, this guy. What is this song all about? It's about him. It's about him. Wow, okay. Alright. Let's continue.
I fell in deep. I lost my heartbeat. Follow the bloodstream. Hush,
yeah, this is a very good video. Very good music, extraordinary message. Now I do understand what this guy is saying. I do understand. I do understand. And this is what has been going on in society now, right? It's better to not say nothing because we can live longer, right? Our lives would be a little bit longer than we all expected, right? Trust me, bro. This is a very good song. Very good song by him. Very good. Very good one, bro. Very good one. Very good one. So, I do like music that is very different from the rest, you know, that stands out from the pack. Because this is a very unique message, right? And the people are loving it. I do love it. I do love it. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash and subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican react. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.